Here's how the 70% rule of thumb works in practice. First, you need to determine the ARV, or the after repair value of the property. This is the estimated value of the property once all necessary repairs and renovations have been completed. To do this, you can consult with a real estate agent or appraiser, or use online tools like Zillow or Redfin to get an idea of what similar properties in the area are selling for. Next, you will need to come up with an estimate of the expected repair costs. The best way to do this is to do a thorough walkthrough of the property with your contractor or contractors and come up with a scope of work and get quotes from them on the expected cost of the renovation. Once you have an estimate of the ARV and the repair costs, you can use the 70% rule to determine how much you should be willing to pay for the property. Simply multiply the ARV by 0.7 and then subtract the repair cost. The resulting number will be the maximum price you should be willing to pay. For example, if the ARV of a property is $200,000 and the repair